Okay, this one a quick look on the OneXGPU power adapter. So you will receive this kind of brick, which is quite heavy. I'll just do a quick review on this. Total weight of the unit, $700. Okay, 700, around 700. The unit 6868, I believe the same. Okay, then this one can detach, and this is the US. This is what I need to know because not people able to demonstrate this. This is multiple power adapter. So this one can detach also. It's quite hard. Okay, can detach, and this is type B. And this is type B computer thing. So very common, this one. I think I have this exactly similar like this with another power adapter. Maybe it's my Bose speaker or something like that. Alright, so this is the socket that you can plug on the wall straight away like this, typically, or like this. Alright, thank you.